Hello teacher, my name is Daisy Penagos Velosa. My opinion on the positive and the negative effect on technology in the environment. From my opinion of my world, ecosystem have had and series of challenge of times. As technology advances emerging, it is possible to ignore the serious consequences should and soil, water, and atmosphere, pollutants, global warming, depression on the solar layer, acid rain, among other problems. Thus, both planet Earth are rich. On the other hand, and consider time technology has contributed positive things to the ecosystem such as renewable energy. How do you see the future of our planet? Is current trend continuing, and we do not reflect good present that it is people do not challenge tear a bit the planet with content on underworld challenge that will bring unfavorable consequences. For example, in population world continue to secrete combustibles levels will crescent and the technology development advance without thinking about the answer the debate ought for the different child with the increment series innovate causing the reduction of employment and increasing the poverty rate. How to mitigate in environmental deserts. I am aware that the emergent with must tackle acute effect and my thing is to start from individually. I recommend that action that no matter how small they seem will sleep the ecosystem in an impressive way. Governments should and the fit authority that the question action don't clean and the precise strategy where people are aware of the importance and the necessary measures to prevent the balance of the planet to seeking to create sustainable development. Technology would the pioneer in the crash on the ecological environment through tools that favor the environment. The United Nations must continue to vital balance activity the alital contributed to social progress that work to prevent ever quality on the life what and anxiety and pollute threat environment for future generation what are panoramic. Thank you.